Investing in power tools can speed up your garden care. I used to spend hours, if not days, trimming my bushes or pruning my roses. Thanks to Ryobi's cordless convenience, traditional hedging clippers and pruning shears are a thing of the past. Here's some tips to get you started. Before you start cutting, take a step back to look at the shape of your bush or shrub. Decide which areas need trimming and which areas should be untouched. Timing is important. Most shrubs can be trimmed in the spring or early summer before they start producing new growth. Avoid trimming in the fall, as this can stimulate new growth that could be damaged by winter weather. I like to start trimming my lower branches and working my way up. This will help leave a uniform shape and avoid unsightly gaps. Trim dead, damaged, or diseased branches to promote healthy growth. This can help prevent the spread of disease to the other parts of the plant. For branches less than an inch thick, I like to reach for my shears or my lopper for extended reach. If the branches are more than an inch thick, a chainsaw will quickly cut through. Trimming more than a third of the plant at a time can potentially stress the plant and produce a weaker, less attractive growth. Once you finish trimming, clean up any debris and dispose of it properly. And wipe off your tools. This will prevent the spread of disease or pests. And those are my tips for hedging and trimming.